Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we're going to be doing Jamaican vegan fritters. Irie. Ingredients are everyday seasoning, bouillon, oil, and then just a variety of seasonings according to your choice and taste. Plain flour, salt, onion, pepper, spring onion, sweet corn, grated carrot, Scotch bonnet, and some spinach. We're going to chop and grate all of our ingredients, and then we're going to add about 400 grams of flour to a bowl. To our flour, we're going to add our baking powder, our salt, and all of our seasonings. Then we're going to add all of our chopped and grated ingredients into the flour and stir that in really well. Next, we're going to add our sunflower oil and our water, making sure that it forms a nice batter-like consistency. Next, we're going to add our curry powder, which is a specialty Better Pack curry powder, into our batter mixture and stir that in really well. We're going to make sure that our oil is hot, and then we're going to just add a spoonful of the mixture into the frying pan and let those fry for a couple of minutes on each side until they're golden brown and they taste absolutely delicious. And as we make these fritters to celebrate the Jamaican Independence Day, I just want to say enjoy and thank you all for joining me today. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next Thursday.